Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube video series. And this series is on currency collecting, serial number collecting. So this is number 15 of the $1 bill searches. What we're doing is looking at the serial number and looking for strange or collectible serial numbers, which could include, in my case, I save items that have the same number 4 in a row. Could be a ladder, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A mixed ladder, which could be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but mixed in a different series. Let's see here, a birth date, all different kind of things. We'll go over that at the end of the video, and I'll show you several of the other collectibles. So we have a stack of 100 $1 bills, and we're going to search through these one at a time. First I'm going to zoom in, and we are going to look at this serial number right here. Okay, we're going to start with this one. Let's get started. 9259 9542. Nope. 1836 1242. No, not for me. 0011 6550. Nope. 917 636 70. Nope. 2595 2723. Nope. 913 87607. Nope. 4344 8395. 777 87040. Now, just a question here. Does it bother you when people say O instead of 0? Just a question I was wondering. 0536 549 1606 0132 1684 0908 0908 1824 7741. Whoops. 9026 8885. Oh, this one's dirty. 211 66796 577 65894 8612 3923 837 30010. Now, another thing to look for, sometimes at the end there you'll see a star at the end instead of this last letter. That means that somewhere in the printing process the whole batch had a mistake in it, so they burned the whole batch and replaced the last letter with a star to show a replacement. So that's one of the things I collect personally, is star notes. 6290 9275 9348 5418 9238 8562 7523 1870 7023 9860 1707 3265 1142 4315 7468 3725 0216 72129 1409 6118. Another thing people look for is if the bill is printed off center, which means different size borders all the way around. 1515 5012. Whoops, knocked over my camera there. Get it set back up. 7870 7983 677 86012 4387 0802 6918 2508, 82729968, 27107039, 44251256, 1360 9854, 1920 2227. Has 4 2s, but they're not consecutive. 94242177, 87919737, 10972352, 3800 7276, 0980 4313, 266 72877, 2152 8813, 6903 6871, 0982 9077, 2544 0672, 4786 4313, 3517 5451, 1893 0045. Could be somebody's relative birth date right there. 1653 8155, 8562 4761, 4451 9017, 311 72684, 1034 0779, 7384 1523, 7285 0737, 8744 3540, 3301 9935, 4917 4767, 5279 8596, 005 99915, nope. 7494 2846, nope. 7932 7951, nope. 7691 4751, nope. 8970 4897, nope. 376 1948, the 4, nope. Oh, there we go. 44440528. That is one I'm going to put aside and collect. We'll come back at the end of the video and show you on the website if that's a cool number or is that a dud. So let's put that aside. 1715 0022, 1687 8052, 2438 4406, 1622 2041, 6246 5942, 5783 4921, 4478 3168, 5820 3414, 6214 0827, 9127 3659, 8587 5490, 3794 0785, 8892 7826. The stack is almost empty. I only got one bill out of this one. Not all stacks are going to be good. 3327 4554, 9545 4701, 277 81087, 1046 1443, 3390 2357, 7596 4519, 1019 0752, 04480705, 1147 3625. 2000 could be somebody's year, birth year. Let's see. Year 2000, July 26th, 7 o'clock. 2631 2333 3673 7853 0587 4238 1691 1175 3439 8909. Last two bills 3019 4125 3894 9345. So that whole stack, like I said earlier, not all stacks are going to have something good in them. You zoom out, back out. So this whole stack of $1 bills, for me anyway, only had one collectible, 4444-0528. So let's go to the website. Here we are at the website to check the serial numbers. It is mycurrencycollection.com. You can see it up here. Here you can check fancy serial numbers, star notes, and just whatever you might have. So let's go ahead and check 4444-0528. Check your serial number. Here we go. Okay, I'm at 95.2% coolness, which really doesn't mean a whole lot to most people. But what makes this serial number special or not? Contains a 4 of a kind together. Only 0.4% of 8-digit numbers have this combination. Okay, just for the fun of it, which fancy serial numbers are valuable? Let's click on that. Okay, low serial numbers starting in zeros, such as right here. If you have 7 zeros and then a number, it could be worth $500 to $1,000, depending on the condition. High serial numbers are about the same. A ladder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $900 to $1,900. You can see right here the examples. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, $100. Binary or true binary. There we go. 7477 4774. There we go. You see how that looks. $40 to $150. Repeater, $25 to $50. There we go. It's got 4 numbers repeated twice, 7462, 7462. Super repeater, 39393939. That'll also be 4 pairs, $100 to $300. Quad double, 5555 3333, $50 to $100. Radar, there we go. Repeated radar. Binary radar, a solid $1,000 to $4,000, which are all 8 digits are the same. 7 in a row and 7 of a kind, $50 to $150. Trinary, sometimes more than face value if the bill is in good to great shape. Date birthday, sometimes more than face value, just like the trinary. Anyway, that gives you an idea of what to look out for. And you might want to go check your bill, see what you have. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.